everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1969 Plymouth GTX. Outstanding car, guys. Buddy of mine from Tennessee is the one who found me this car. Great car, man. Factory Y2 yellow car, factory black vinyl interior, 440 4-speed car. Very recent restoration done within the last 3-4 years, and very nicely done car, guys. Good, solid, straight body. Really nice paint. Real good running and driving car. I like it. I like it a lot, man. Of course, you know I'm a Mopar guy. Love to have a building full of Mopars. Heck, I just take a building full of cars right now. It's hard to just find good stuff. But great car. Really nice underneath. It's got BF Goodrich radial TA, red lines all the way around it. It's got the chrome 14-inch rally or Magnums on it. And really, just a good car, man. Good quality car. Got the broadcast sheet for it. I mean, I like the car. Like it a lot. Sorry, guys, just a little smudge in the paint, or a little dirt on the paint there. Not a whole lot I really seen in the paint to really nitpick. You can see the chrome is nice, the stainless is nice, and runs and drives excellent. Sorry, guys, it's a little dusty out here today. Good car. It's inside the, I don't really know what that is. Just maybe a little crack in the paint there, but it's actually in that valley there. Glass is nice. You can see the dash is nice. Really good car. Yeah, sorry, got some dust up, but oh shoot, Nathan, I got dust all over it in there. It's up here at the top, yeah. Back window's nice. Again, the trim and stainless is nice on this car. I like it. Good car. And like I say, runs down the road real good. Taillight bezels are nice. This back trim panel's pretty doggone nice. Oh, sure. We just got a little dust everywhere, man. Although we are remodeling our building, so it's a little dusty around here. See, it's nice and straight down the side. Sorry about the shadow from the flag. Radial red lines. You can see it's got the correct chrome exhaust tips on it. Good car. Again, nice and clean underneath. Love the chrome rallies on it. Again, I think it's a date code correct, 440 in it, 4-speed manual trans. Car was actually a D32 automatic car. It's been converted to a 4-speed, but they did a nice job. They even changed the hump in the floorboard. Power steering. It's got manual brakes. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It does have the date code correct intake on it. Factory exhaust manifolds. It's got the correct air cleaner on it with the Mopar Performance valve covers. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Look how nice the firewall is. I mean, they did a nice job when they redid this car. Very nice job. I like it. This is a good car, man. Good quality car. Looks like the original 8-pillar chrome, showing just a little wear. Original mirror. Door handles have definitely been replaced. I'll tell you guys, good car, man. Not a whole lot I can really say, you know, that I can nitpick on it. I've ordered new floor mats for it. It'll have the black GTX floor mats for it. Look how nice and clean the doors are. Bucket seats, pistol grip shifter. Seats are nice. Headliner's nice. Factory dash, can see how clean that is. 80,248, that's supposed to be the original miles. Even a little reverse light works. Factory AM/FM radio works. Blower motor works. H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It's got an 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end with a rear sway bar. Good looking car. There's your original broadcast sheet. Does have the spare in here. I believe that's the original quarter. I think they changed this one. It's full quarter, but they did change it. Let's see if I can pull this up. Yeah, you can see it's all body color in there like it should be. Factory jacks in there. Really just a good car, man. Trying to focus here. Again, car's very nice underneath, guys. Very nice. It's like new carpet. Those door jambs are really nice. The seats are nice. See what I mean about the hump? They put the 4-speed hump and everything in the floor, so they did a nice job converting it. Steering wheel's nice. Everybody loves the pistol grip shifter. Go ahead, Nathan. It's about 10,000 degrees out here today. It is blazing hot. Runs out awesome, man. Nice and tight. Shifts good. That's a good car right there, man. Park and brake. I don't know if we checked that. Check the parking brake. Works? Yep. Park and brake works, guys. Gauges all work. I know the backup lights and everything on this car work. It's always backing in. And one of them, that works. I know it does. I go up there and tap on the doggone thing. Yeah, I know they both work. I saw them working. Little rev, Nathan. That's a good car right there, man. I'm telling you. Radio does work. Yeah. Blower motor works. I'll put it in reverse so they can see the reverse light working. Just gotta try to rev it a little bit. That won't grind when it goes into gear. Make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button down at the bottom there. That way you can get a notification every time we post one of these videos. That's a good car right there.